Another grim milestone in the coronavirus pandemic. More than 2 million people have now died across the globe. That's according to Johns Hopkins University. As ABC's Alex Perche reports, states are angry at the government for promising vaccine doses but not delivering.
Hospitals overrun and healthcare workers overwhelmed with no end in sight to this deadly pandemic. Doctors at Northeast Georgia Medical Center say the ICU is at 200% capacity.
We are having to treat patients in the hallways and also in the ambulances.
The U.S. has already reported 3 million new COVID cases since the new year, and more than 100,000 cases logged every day since November 3rd. And the race to vaccinate inching along far slower than anticipated.
I don't want to die of COVID. It's that simple. I don't want to die of COVID.
Multiple states now have more appointments than doses. Some hospitals, like New York's Mount Sinai, canceling reservations as they worry about lack of supply. Now, several governors are accusing the Trump administration of lying that 20 million more doses were about to become available.
This is deception on a national scale. Their empty promises are literally playing with people's lives.
Earlier this week, Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar said the federal government was releasing the entire supply to states rather than holding second doses in reserve, but that those second doses had already been shipping out for weeks. Pfizer now saying in a statement, Operation Warp Speed has asked us to start shipping second doses only recently. President-elect Joe Biden says speeding up vaccinations is a top priority when he takes office next week, aiming for 100 million shots in his first 100 days as president by activating FEMA, which will help set up vaccination sites across the country.
And this is a time to set big goals, to pursue them with courage and conviction, because the health of the nation is literally at stake.
Alex Perche, ABC News, New York.
Right now, Kansas City, Missouri, along with Jackson, Platte, Clay, and Wyandotte counties are offering online surveys where you can ask for a vaccine. Once you register, you'll get a notice when it's your turn to get the vaccine. Your health department will then schedule an appointment. Starting today, COVID-19 restrictions in Platte County will be different. Restaurants and bars can now stay open until midnight in the part of the county outside of Kansas City, Missouri. They've been closing at 10 p.m. for the last 2 months. This order is similar to the orders just passed this week in Kansas City, Missouri, along with Clay, Jackson, and Wyandotte counties. The Chiefs are gearing up to take on the Browns, hoping to head to the AFC Championship. Now, during the pandemic, public celebrations and watch parties for the Chiefs look a little different this year. KMBC 9's Kelly Gibbs breaks down the changes in the Power and Light District.
Well, Emily, you may remember the Super Bowl game viewing party and celebration for the Chiefs last year. Well, this year is going to look much different for fans watching the game in the Power and Light District on Sunday. The Chiefs versus Browns game will be on the big screen. However, instead of crowds packing that open air venue, there'll be assigned seating on both the upper and lower levels in groups of less than 10 people. Those tables do need to be reserved ahead of time. I'm told they'll be spaced out 6 feet or more from other viewing parties. Masks must be worn at all times, with the exception of fans eating or drinking. Now, only a select number of bars and restaurants will be open to accommodate customers with similar rules. Those include Johnny's Tavern, Guy Fieri's Dive and Taco Joint, McFadden's, The Dubliner, and PBR Big Sky. All of these changes, of course, to stay in line with city guidelines in place to reduce the spread of COVID-19. Emily?
Well, if you're still on the hunt for a seat at the game, we checked this morning and the cheapest spots on Ticketmaster are going for more than $400. That is down, though, a little from earlier in the week. The lowest on Tickets for Less are $545. Anyone heading out to Arrowhead for the game tomorrow will have to follow the same rules as the regular season, like wearing masks, social distancing, and knowing everyone in your group.